Squeeze lemon juice on some mayonnaise. That's McDonald's secret. In a medium bowl, add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 pack containing 200 grams of table cream, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 pinch of black pepper, and mix until combined. Now add 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan will give the sauce a very special flavor. And mix again. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right mix. Finally, transfer the sauce to squeeze bottles, just like the ones I'm using here. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe, so click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.